I don't even know how to begin. Writing this makes my hands tremble, but keeping it inside is worse. It feels like it will tear me apart if I don't let it out. The first time it happened was in class. The chalk squeaked sharply against the board, then silence. His shoulders jerked as if something invisible clawed at him from within. Then his jaw gave out. Not a yawn, something far uglier. The skin tore at the corners, and a tongue slithered down the chalkboard, smearing the words into slick streaks. White worms spilled from his throat, landing with wet little sounds that made my stomach twist. I looked around, desperate for someone to notice, but nothing. Pens scratched, pages turned. No one moved. When his head lifted, I saw the inside of his throat wasn't flesh at all. It was rows of teeth grinding against each other, endless and sharp. His voice broke as it came out, but I understood it. You weren't supposed to notice. That night, I heard voices through the walls. Too deep, too heavy, words that no human mouth could make. The plaster seemed to breathe, pulsing with every sound. My chest tightened with every syllable, like the house itself wanted me to listen. Smiles didn't look like smiles anymore. They stretched too far, showing teeth too deep. One of them leaned close and whispered, almost ready. The sound made my skin crawl as if insects were moving beneath it. After that, people began to disappear. The excuse was always the same, moved away. But I saw them walk into the woods. I saw that they never returned. And then I saw them again, gray, dripping, standing in the cafeteria as water gushed from their open jaws, flooding the floor. My tray slipped from my hands. The noise echoed too loud, and then, silence. Every fork, every spoon froze in midair. Every face turned toward me. I ran. My lungs burned, tears stung my eyes, but every road twisted back to the same place. The same glowing windows. The same frozen stairs waiting inside. Home wasn't safer. The floor pulsed beneath my bare feet, warm and alive. The vents whispered with voices piled over each other, begging to be set free. At night, skin split in the corners of faces I knew, and something slick pressed against it, eager to wear it like a mask. Even my reflection betrayed me. My lips moved a second too late. My eyes refused to blink when I did. This place is wrong. It is not safe. And once you notice it, it notices you.